Hi guys, this is Nick from Tentworld Online, and today I'd like to talk to you about the Bushnell Waterproof Binoculars. These binoculars are perfect for spectator sports, bird watching, hunting and boating. When you're out hunting or bird watching, you will no doubt encounter all types of different weather conditions. These binoculars are both waterproof and fog-proof. I recommend these binoculars because they let in a heap of light, giving you a bright and clear image. The binoculars have a large center focusing knob, which is easily adjustable without taking your eyes away from your viewing. It also has twist-up eye cups, letting the viewer dial exactly the needed amount of eye cup extension, perfect for if you wear glasses or sunnies. They have a durable, easy-to-use body and non-slip rubber armour, which absorbs those nasty shocks while out in the field. The rubberized armour also provides a firm and steady grip. Thanks for watching.